18 years old, 5 feet 4 inches tall, 170 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, and last seen wearing a gray sweatshirt and camouflage leggings. Police are looking for an unknown suspect in connection with her abduction. The suspect is driving an unknown vehicle. The victim was last seen at 6 p.m. on December 18, 2021 on the 100 block of Stonehenge Drive, Fairview, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Fairview Police Department at 972-886-4211. Amber Alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. For immediate danger. Temperature 50, or dew point. Relative humidity 54%. I'm in trouble. West at 3 miles to 8 cloudy. Pressure 30 points. Temperature 59, dew point